This is question 3 from the 2014 KS2 SATs paper A. There's a lot of information in this question, and a common mistake would be to jump straight to the part of the question that's asking you to do something. Don't be tempted to do that. Make sure you read all of the information, and if necessary, get somebody to read it for you. A shop sells t-shirts. This chart shows how many t-shirts were sold in a month. So each circle is representing 100 t-shirts. So these are the blue t-shirts that were sold. These are the red t-shirts that were sold. These are the white t-shirts that were sold. And these are the orange t-shirts that were sold. Write the colours of the t-shirts that sold more than 400 in the month. I would very quickly work out just how many t-shirts were sold for each colour. So blue, remember, each circle represents 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 t-shirts. Red, 100, 200, 300, that's half of a circle, so it's half of 100, it's 50, so 350 red t-shirts were sold. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and here we've got 3/4 of a circle. 3/4 of 100 is 75. So there were 100, 200, 300, 400, 575 white t-shirts sold. 100, 200, there's another 50 for the orange. Okay, that information will help you with this question. Write the colours of t-shirts that sold more than 400 in the month. Blue sold more than 400. Red did not. White sold more than 400. Orange did not. So there are 2 colours of t-shirts that sold more than 400. The next question. How many red t-shirts and orange t-shirts were sold all together? You've already worked out how many red were sold and how many orange were sold. So you need to add together 350 t-shirts and 250 t-shirts. Add together the 250s makes 100. Add the 300 is 400. Add 200 is 600 t-shirts were sold all together. How many more white than blue t-shirts were sold? Well, we know that 575 white t-shirts were sold and 500 blue t-shirts were sold. So that is 75 more white t-shirts. You notice that I've done workings out and writing jottings around about the question. You can do that on any of the questions as long as you reserve the answer boxes or lines for your answer only. You can write whatever you like around the rest of the page.